Hey guys, it's Anna and I miss you guys so much and I hope that you're having a great week so far. Today I'm going to do a review of the Skinfood Egg White Pore Mask. So it looks like this, it comes in a tub and it's super cute, and without further ado, let's get on with this review. So in terms of packaging, this product comes in a tub. It's super cute. It reminds me of ice cream, so I guess that's where the name Skinfood comes from. And once you open it, there is this plastic thing in between. You just have to take it off. And then that's where all the product is. What you do with this face mask is that you pretty much take a slab of it, distribute it evenly on your face and leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, the face mask actually dries on your skin, and that's when you know it's ready to be washed off. In terms of smell, it smells like something very clean and fresh, like clean soap. That's the best way I could describe it. What this product claims to do is that it is a pore refining mask that contains egg white and eliminates pore clogging impurities. So pretty much it gives you like the appearance of less pores. It really cleans out your pores. This product is actually true to its claim. It really did help me minimize the appearance of my pores, and I really did see a difference before I used it and after I used it. The only thing is that this is only temporary, so you're not going to have reduced pores for, you know, the whole year. This only lasts for, I say, the day that you apply it on. But then again, it's really suitable for those who will be applying makeup afterwards. Your foundation will go on much smoother. I also noticed that I got a bit of a tingling sensation when I applied this on my face within the first 5 to 10 seconds, but that didn't really bother me. It was really cool, it was nice, and it didn't irritate my skin. I do have a little bit of sensitive skin, so you know, nothing happened. My skin was still feeling great afterwards. Another good thing about this face mask is that after I washed it off, I noticed that my face was not stripped of its oils. It wasn't dry at all. It was kind of moderately hydrated. Of course you have to go in with like moisturizer and toner and all that stuff afterwards, but this did not dry out my face, which I think is a massive plus. So now I'm going to do a demo of this product on my face, and I hope you guys enjoy and find it helpful. So yeah, let's get on to the demo. So now I've taken all of my makeup and I actually used the Face Shop Rice Brightening Water to take off my eye makeup. If you would like to see a review of this, then click here. So up close, this is what it looks like. It's like a creamy white, almost a bit greyish cement looking paste, and I'm just going to take a slab of it. Oop. Ooh. Like that much. Really does look like toothpaste. Now I'm just going to distribute this all over my face. I like to do a bit thicker because, I don't know, I like doing thicker layers for face masks. It's very spreadable. It's like butter. Very spreadable. Very nice. So now I've smoothed it out. I'll be leaving this on for 15 minutes and I'll be back. So 15 minutes have passed, and as you can see, the mask is pretty dry. Like, it's very dry. I touch it, nothing really comes off. My face does feel tighter especially when I smile, but I can still do emotions like smiling. So this is what my skin looks like after I've washed off the face mask. As you can see, it is naturally glowing and you can't really see any of my pores. It's just a really nice face mask. My skin feels very elastic and just very soft and hydrated, surprisingly. So yeah. So now I'm just going to carry on with my usual skincare routine. If you would like to know my skincare routine, then click up here. And yeah, overall I really enjoy this product. I love this. I've been using this for around 3 months already. I apply this once a week or before a makeup application if I'm going to somewhere special, and it does feel good. It's good to pamper yourself, and it really does minimize the appearance of pores, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. However, it is temporary, so just bear that in mind. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you have any questions about this product, feel free to comment down below and I will definitely answer them. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will be uploading more videos regularly since I'm on holiday now. Yay! And also thank you so much for 200 plus subscribers. I haven't really been keeping count because I've just been really busy previously with exams and all this stuff, but I'm so happy. Thank you so much for your support. To some people, 200 subscribers may just be like a really little number, but to me, I honestly thank you from the bottom of my heart of every single subscriber who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.